Carrie, a certified personal trainer, and every time I order a sports bra or a top with a built-in bra, it comes with these useless and terrible and planet-destroying bra pads that I hate and I end up throwing away. They always end up looking lopsided, getting scrunched up in the laundry, and sooner or later, getting tossed in the trash. I did a video about these a while back. I made it as a joke, like things you can do with your bra pads, like cleaning windows or doing mountain climbers. And I got an overwhelming response of people with strong opinions about bra pads. So I was surprised to see like 50% of women feel that they are useless. The other 50% are like, I really need them. So since it seems like 50% of people are tossing these in the trash as soon as they get their clothing, creating totally unneeded waste, I'm wondering if clothing manufacturers can create a more environmentally friendly system and not send them out automatically in their products. Like, what if before you check out at your purchase, if your product were to include the bra pad, you could click whether you wanted it sent in your package or not. I don't know anything about coding for websites or shopping carts online, but I'm pretty sure that we have the technology and the coding skills amongst us to create this option. What do you think? Should we have clothing manufacturers make this change to save our planet and to keep us from creating more waste that we didn't even want in the first place? I want to know your opinions on removable bra pads, so please leave them in the comments. Also, I might get really fired up and start an online petition. We'll see. If I do, I will link it in the comments so that you can sign it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm Natalie Carey, and I really do want to hear your opinions on this crucial topic of removable bra pads. Leave them in the comments.